What is going on? Listen, I am at Kerr Lake, my favorite little spot, super close to my house. I'm doing a shakedown on, you know, the things that we're building into the Gladiator. I did a rear seat delete recently, and we're kind of working through where everything goes, how does it all set up, what I'm taking, things like that. Next couple of videos, if you watched a few, or you're going to watch the next couple maybe, and I'm really in a kind of a pare down mode. You know, the first couple of years I was, hey, let's see how big of stuff I can take, just clamp it up with this thing, you know what I mean? And don't get me wrong, if I come to a local spot, I got the wife and the dogs and the trailer or something, you know, we're going 14-inch stoves, and we're going pizza ovens, the whole 9 yards, you know. But I was getting ready to make some breakfast, and I figured it would be a good time to show you how we're doing this kitchen situation in here right now. So let me come back to the truck a little bit. Start off over here with the main stuff. All right, as far as back here, let's start with, I got the little EcoFlow running. The show back here, we got a little Wolfstorm fridge, just big enough for myself while I'm out on the road. When I'm in the trailer, or I got the rest of the family along, we take my ice cold. But that one does it for this. And then right over here, we'll swing over there and take a look at it. So it's time I'm going to cook, and we need stuff out of the back. And so what I have is, I built this stack that is screwed, everything screwed in, and it's all part of the rear seat delete. But then I had leftover tubs, because I originally was going to do 2 stacks. So they fit conveniently right on the floor here. So here's what I did. You reach over and you unsnap that side. You unsnap this one here. And this whole thing's going to lift right off. And we're going to take it. And we're going to bring this part right to the spot where I'm cooking. And then the pack that's remaining in here just stays in place. It's going to stay right there. I am using a box. It's on hydraulic struts, so everything just stays open for you. Inside, you know, generally what you're going to have. I got some dishes. I got a couple of glasses. I got my jet boil, some aluminum foil, rubber gloves, plastic bags. I got a frying pan. I got cast iron down there. I've got my tortilla press, things you're going to need, you know. So this part stays here. I get whatever I need out of it. Like I said, I take the top with me, and then I open this up, get a frying pan out, get whatever I'm going to need to do out of there. All right, so then, like I said, this box here, I bring it straight over the table. This is like catch-all stuff. I took comes with these little trays. You know, it's like one of those organizers for nuts and bolts for the tool stack that I'm using. But I took out a couple of these trays and left a blank spot here so I could fit in some of the bigger stuff, kind of fit my tongs, fit a knife in there. These little jars of spices fit perfectly right up the middle. You got some ketchup and mustard packets, something like that in there. This one's got a little more spices that I bring with. And then this little top segment part right here is going to be, I don't know, kind of dailies and supplements and things. I got some cocoa up here, some apple cider. I've got my Mountain Ops Biotics up here. I think I have some vitamins up in here somewhere. Some drinks. Can't always carry a lot of energy drinks and cans and things like that while you're on the road, so I got a little water anyway. So I got a couple of these things, Ignite. These are Mountain Ops also. Some Element. This is just salt. These are orange salts. Good for hydration, things like that. And then at night, I am big into some late night cocoa. I got this Sleepy Cocoa. I got Sleepy Cider. But just a, you know, just a selection of things that mix with some water that can make some drinks out of it. You just got to kind of think out of the box a little bit. Some of these videos you're going to see of mine recently are going to be me trying to figure out how to, you know, pare down a little bit and multi-use and some things like that. So check out this video right here where I take out my back seat, and then this video right here is probably something really good too. You know what I mean? Check it out. Appreciate y'all.